The A7i4 maxed out at 10 FPS, decent, but now outdated. The Alpha 7V is expected to hit 15-20 FPS thanks to faster sensor readouts, reduced distortion in fast-moving shots. A global shutter is unlikely, but a stacked design should deliver solid results. Video features built for hybrid creators. The A7iV's cropped 4K 60 FPS was a letdown. The Alpha 7V is set to fix that. Uncropped 4K 60 FPS recording, better heat management for longer shoots, enhanced color science, and 10-bit profiles. 4K 120 FPS in crop mode for slow motion, 8K likely reserved for flagship models. Price prediction: what will it cost? The A7 IV launched at around $1,800. With rising production costs, expect Alpha 7V price range $3,000, $3,500. Most predictions point to $3,400. It's a serious investment, but one that reflects its capabilities should you upgrade. If you own the A7iV and focus on photography, you're still in good shape. If you're a hybrid shooter or filmmaker, the Alpha 7V is worth waiting for. If your gear is aging, investing in the 7V may be smarter than repairing final. Verdict: balanced, powerful, future-ready, the Sony Alpha 7V won't revolutionize the lineup, but it will fix the biggest limitations of the A7i4. With faster shooting, smarter autofocus, uncropped 4K video, higher resolution sensor, it's shaping up to be one of the most versatile hybrid cameras of its generation. What do you think? Will you upgrade to the Alpha 7V, stick with your current setup, or explore another Sony model? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.